Look at the corrosion. I would have never have seen this if I didn't take this little cap off. It's bad. Yeah, I think this was only attached by like 2 or 3 tiny little strands of copper. And this one's shop, at least that looks all together. So let me see what I can jerry rig to fix this thing. Let's see if this does the trick. Oh man, it's not deep enough. Is it doing anything? Huh. Well, the tie rod was pretty easy. This bolt came off pretty easy, and then I just whacked it with a hammer. And then now it's nice and loose, so let me take it off. This one is the driver's side. It's very notchy. It's firm, more firm than the other one, but it's very notchy. And the inner tie rod is tight, but the other one, when I did the test in and out, it does have a little bit of a notch in it. And my driver's side front brakes were making a squealing weird sound, so I'm just gonna go in there, see what the brakes look like, and just lube them up. I think there's still some good meat on them. Where's the light? Yeah, they're fine for now. Let me just lube everything back up. Okay, so I got the tie rod end off. It was kind of a pain, but I got it off. And then I just realized that my A-arms, the A-arm bushings, are all deteriorated and really soft compared to the other side due to my massive oil leak. See, it's like all oily, all in there. Say, oh my word. So new game plan is probably going to be do the valve cover gaskets and the engine, and then come back to the suspension, because it's pointless for me to do the A-arms and all the tie rods and everything if I'm still leaking massive amounts of oil. So yeah, that's probably the new game plan, but at least I feel a little bit better now. I can also turn this pretty easy, which this tells me that the bushings and everything are shot inside. So maybe I'll just snug it up a little bit, and that might help it for the meantime. What a nice day. Okay. I got the replacement tie rod end. This is the new one. It's a little thicker here. This is the old one. I don't know if it's the original one or not. It could be. It's a little thinner here. The one that I took out is like so loose. It just moves around my thumb. And this one, this new one, I can't move it with my thumb, so it's like a lot tighter. So I guess it needed to be replaced after all. So let me install it and then take it for a spin and see if the car pulls to the right as much when I give it gas. Hopefully it will.